ever walk around the lanes of Goa, you will always get that amazing fresh and warm aroma which literally just pulls you in. Yes, you are right. I'm standing exactly in front of the one of the oldest bakery in Bhatlev area of Panchim where this aroma is pulling me inside. Today we will explore how this bakery has kept its traditional taste alive for the years. Just explore. How old is your traditional bakery?
100 साल के ऊपर है वो. When Portuguese came here,
हाँ.
captured from that time on.
From that time to this time, the taste remains the same. The taste, the texture.
The taste doesn't remain the same because we don't have toddy. If you have a toddy, the taste and aroma will be different. If you pass the side, if you are baking, you can get the aroma of the toddy. The toddy is not available now.
Okay, so you use yeast only.
Yeast.
What are you making right now?
That is called unda.
Okay.
Will you try?
Okay, I'll try this. This is so hot. Okay, so it's so crunchy. So how much time it takes to bake the undos?
Now, bake the undas, you need the temperature. So that's the most important part of it, baking.
So the temperature also makes difference in
Yeah.
the taste. So how these undos and pois are so different than other breads like sliced breads and sandwich bread?
They use ghee, they use oil,
Okay.
they use sugar,
Yeah.
they use bread improviser, they keep preservative they use.
Okay.
So we don't use preservative and all this.
So how is your oven different from an electric oven?
There is vast difference. See, on top it will be baked, underneath it will be baked, but
Okay.
electric bhatti will be only on top.
So the taste of these breads come in this bhatti only?
वो electric oven में नहीं आते.
So which wood do you use for this taste? Is there any specific wood?
टीक वुड है तो दूसरा वुड है. मारते कीन जोड़ बोलता है. और tamarind trees, so that are we using.
These local bakers still use traditional wood-fired mud ovens passed down through families to get that exact flavor we all love. And guess what? All the years of hard work and the dedication is finally getting the ultimate global recognition it deserves. The official process has legally started to give our traditional Goan bread its very own GI tag. This means our food identity is permanently protected.
GI tag will support me globally. That's a good news for me. GI will bring me to the global map worldwide.
Our pav is our pride and the real test of our home. Share this video to show some love to our traditional bakers and follow GA07 for more such updates.